In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a photo slideshow in TikTok. So first, what you want to do is open up your TikTok app and then click on this plus icon. Then record your video or upload it and then click on the check mark. Now, if I go to next, now open up your TikTok app and click on the plus icon. Now don't record your video or do anything, you want to click on upload. Once you have clicked on upload, click on photos and select photos you want to add to slideshow. And as you can see, these photos are now a slideshow. You can crop it, add music to it, add text, stickers, or do whatever's. And once you have created them, you can also save them with the top right button. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.